My name is Sahil Malik and welcome to my course Implementing a Microsoft Azure Search Solution. Search is so important. Users love it because it is easy. But that easy can be quite difficult to implement because we all know search is a little bit more than just text matching. Something so simple for the user can be so complicated for the developer. Well, no more. Azure Search is a cloud-hosted search-as-a-service solution that lets you create your own private search corpus. You can push documents in the index on demand or have them pulled using an indexer. You can even enhance your private search engine with the power of AI using cognitive skills. In this course, I show you how you can leverage Azure Search by building a simple private search corpus. I then show you how to enhance a search pipeline using the power of AI and cognitive skills to make unrelated content searchable, such as blobs, PDFs, images, videos, etc. I then walk you through the administration aspects of search. By the end of this course, you will have a firm grasp on the capabilities of Azure Search and how to effectively leverage it in your organization and apps. Azure Search presents you with a tremendous value and with a very gentle learning curve. I hope you find this course useful and thank you for watching.